Hi, my name is Sean. I'm from Singapore and this is my Harvard CS50 final project. My project is called Website and it is basically a personal portfolio page. Come follow me as I show you around my project. So firstly, at the top of the web page is a navigation bar. I have structured my content into 5 main categories: photography, artwork, resume, arcade, and of course the home page. So let us start off with the home page. The first section is a little bit of information about myself. Here, there is a short paragraph on some of my passion and interests. In the next section, there are 3 informative cards. The cards give a brief description of all the different sections of my web page. There is also a Find Out More button at the bottom which will lead to each of the individual pages. And finally, at the bottom of the page is the contact information bar. It has 5 different buttons and lead to each of my social media pages: Facebook, Instagram, GitHub, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Now let's move on to photography. Here, there is a photo gallery of some of my key photography works. As I'm more into street photography, there is also a short description explaining what street photography means to me. The photo gallery is also interactive. If you hover over each image, it will be slightly enlarged. Clicking into each image will increase the size to allow for a better viewing experience. Here, you are able to toggle right to proceed to the next image, left to go back to the previous image, or simply click out of the gallery to return back. Next up is the artworks page. Here, I've also included a short description of what art means to me as a creative individual. Similar to the photography section, the artwork gallery features a similar interface and design aesthetic. Next is the resume page. This is an image of my digital resume to provide more information about my past experiences and skills. Lastly, and hopefully the most exciting feature, is the arcade page. The arcade game featured here is tic-tac-toe. You can play against an AI bot and try to achieve a draw. The AI always picks the most ideal move and never loses. Here are some of the draw and loss situations. To play again, simply press the play button. This will refresh the board. So that concludes my personal portfolio page, and hopefully this will inspire others to learn more about web programming and soft UI designs. Thank you, and that concludes my final project presentation.